welcome back to another video. So we have come here to eat the raw mango. So in front of the, look at there, show him. There is another youngster, his name is Hakim, and we have come here to catch or to eat the raw mango. And now we are going to tie this stick because we have need a stick, and right now we are tying this. Okay, thank you. I have not good experience how to tie it. No problem, I'm trying to do it. So my cameraman for today's video, Mr. Siam, my nephew, and he is making this video. And there is another person in front of in the top part of the mango tree, and he is very ready to catch the mango tree. Okay, to catch the mango. See, how to tie it. Oh my god, I have no idea how to tie it. Oh, it's very hard. It's very hard for me. I don't know how to eat. Moving the camera here and there. Moving the camera. Is this my uncle's homestead? You are saying I made a lot of video with this homestead, and this is my one of the best video it's going to be. Okay, I have already. Oh, Kathy, give me mango. Okay, just look at this. This is 2 pieces of raw mangoes that was given by this person Hakim. Look at him, show him. The Hakim is very good boy. Okay, these 2 mango must eat, and I will eat this 2 mango. Okay, right now I'm going to give this stick. Come on, shoot, come on. Okay. Okay. So my nephew is going there, and he is going to catch up the raw mango. But in front of this, there is another person is called Hakim, and he is going the top level of the mango tree, and we will enjoy more. But already we have catch 2 pieces of raw mango, and we need more to eat some pickle or to make the pickle and something more. It's afternoon time, and I hope this video must help you. I will do something longer. Just in front of me, if you show this, just look at there. Muhammad Hakim is trying to something catch it. Hakim, good. Be safe, and try to catch the mango. Okay, protect yourself first of all, because it's very risky tree. For this reason, I do not like to climbing. I don't like to climb. Yeah. Okay. So this video I'm going to end here. We have need more time to catch or to cut the mango, and I like mango so much in my life, and it's beginning time of mango season, and we have to eat the raw mango. There is no time for the rip mango. No problem. The next video I'll talk about the other things. So for that time, keep practicing, keep watching my video, and develop yourself more and more. Goodbye for now.